Sparks, increase breakaway leverage.
It's no good.
We're stuck.
Not as stuck as we're about to be. While exploring the outskirts of the city, I discovered an abandoned super robot. It was then my life was transformed by the mysterious power Primate. The robot monkeys were awakened, and I, Shiro, made their leader. Our quest, save Shugazum City from the evils of the Skeleton King. Super Robot Monkey Team, Hyperforce, go! Fighting any evil, they are Shugazum's hope. Super Robot Monkey Team, Hyperforce, go! Defeating any foe.
And time.
Sparks, get some.
Nova! Super Robot Monkey Team, Hyperforce, go! If you need a hero, that's our name, you should know. Super Robot Monkey Team, Hyperforce, go! Come on with us, let's go!
At this point, we appear to be doomed. Would anyone like to explain how we came to this?
My reflexes were too slow.
My aim was off.
My calculations were faulty.
My feelings exactly. They all messed up.
Hey, let's not forget how this came out. Lasertron Fury!
Yes, well, my intention, Chiro, was to identify our weaknesses and thereby learn where we need improvement.
I don't know. As team leader, I'd say I was pretty good.
Very well. For those of us who were not so good, I have an assignment. I want each of you to come up with one new battle move.
So you're really not gonna come up with a new move?
Hey, I've got enough moves, and they're working just fine. Huh. Huh? Nice. My own monkey hand. Looking good.
Prisoner status.
Compliant, no movement in 7 cycles.
He is awake. Summon reinforcements.
He returns at last.
Otto, please begin.
Okay, I call this my vertical razor chariot.
Very inventive. Sparks, what do you have?
Just a little something I call gyro roll.
Excellent maneuver, Sparks.
What can I say? I'm a hard act to follow.
Knuckle Duster!
Woo. Ah!
Part of its effectiveness is the surprise.
So it would appear. Gibson?
I have dubbed them biostatic energy amplification darts.
Ooh, how about The Spin Shocker!
Spin Shocker? Please, it's not a dance move.
And Tari, you bring anything to the party?
I have been working on something.
Okay. You guys want to play show and tell? I got something. What?
It's Mandarin's shield.
Mandarin? What's a Mandarin?
Not what, who. Chiro, there was a sixth monkey.
Sixth monkey?
Perhaps now's the time to just show you. Mandarin was the first of the super robot monkeys created. By far the wisest, smartest, and strongest. He was our leader. Though our mission was to protect Sugazoom, Mandarin felt he was above serving as guardian. He wanted to rule. This we could not let happen. As a last resort, we exiled him to an off-world prison.
Sixth monkey?
Warning. Unidentified hostile craft approaching.
Activate the super robot!
Crusher Cruiser 5, go!
Fist Rocket 4, go.
Fist Rocket 3, go!
Brain Scrambler Pilot 2, go!
Torso Tank Driver 1, go! Prepare to disengage! Super!
Robots, monkey,
Team!
hyper, force, go!
It's the Hostile Outlaw Observation Prison, also known as the Hoop. Home to only one prisoner.
It's him, isn't it?
Shields up. Charge the Lasertron. Prepare for battle.
Lasertron Fury!
Why? You're just a boy.
And you're the monkey who went bad. You don't scare me.
I don't intend to. I intend to get rid of you. You activated my shield. A human child? How is this possible? Oh, unless you're learning the power primate.
Learning? I know it.
Then you should recognize this move. Monkey Mind Scream!
Mandarin! Let the boy go. Your fight is with us.
No, my fight with you ends now. How I have dreamt of this moment. Countless fantasies played out in the black sleep of stasis. Always the same. The absolute annihilation of the monkey team. Sadly, our reunion must end. I have a city to conquer.
Where's the monkey team when you need them?
Master Mandarin hears all.
Please forgive us, Mandarin.
Where are my monkeys?
No, the proper question is, where are my monkeys?
En route to your ship.
Why isn't the boy with them?
Our arrangement was only for the monkeys. I have plans for the boy. The citizens of Sugarzoom Kawa, they tremble in our presence. We have the power, Primate. We are meant for a greater purpose. You are angry, but you know I speak the truth. Why be their servant when you can rule them all?
Rule over Sugarzoom?
Or would you rather the Skeleton King did?
I'm worried about Chiro. He has weaknesses that Mandarin can and will exploit.
But Chiro's special.
His developmental progress has exceeded our expectations.
Plus, he has a good heart.
As once did Mandarin.
Don't worry. The kid is nothing like Mandarin.
The sweeping fists move. You learned that from Dova, and she learned it from me. Utari's feet of fury. My brothers have taught you well.
Huh?
But I can teach you more, my hairless monkey.
Mandarin, send the boy to me.
The monkeys will soon be yours as Sugarzoom is mine, as we agreed. He belongs here at my side.
As what? A reflection of yourself, you insolent fool?
A fool who captured the robot monkeys? A fool who took control of this city? You underestimate me.
You underestimate the boy.
Huh?
Thunder Punch!
The boy will return with his monkeys, and with my help, you will be ready for them.
I do not need your charity.
Then a gift. 5 gifts.
I accept.
Anybody seen some monkeys about yay big?
Attaboy, kid.
We knew we could count on you.
Of course, when Nerva says we knew, she means that by calculating the probabilities of a rescue due to your training, statistically, we could assume that
We could count on you.
Chiro, I had my doubts, and...
And I'd rather hang out with you guys than Mandarin. It's all learn, learn, learn with that guy.
Perhaps the time has come for us to do the teaching.
Skeleton King's prediction comes to be. The boy returns, his monkeys with him. Sparks is at the helm. Arriving any moment now. is he doing? I didn't teach him that. Hyperformless, appear!
Hyperformless? That is so messed up.
Hyperforce, go!
I have programmed the Hyperformless with every monkey move. Your friends cannot win, nor can you.
Monkey team, new moves, go!
Vertical Razor Chariot!
Gyro roll!
Knuckle Duster!
Biostatic energy amp.
Gibson!
Oh, very well. Spin shocker!
Mega Monkey Paw.
Whoa! Give up, Mandarin. You're outnumbered.
Am I? A little back door planted in the robot monkey operating system long ago. The big shutdown, I'm afraid.
Monkey, no! Just made that up.
This is your last chance, boy. Look at them down there. You are better than any human.
You're wrong. I'm the same. Except for one thing. I got 5 super robot monkeys backing me up.
We reprogrammed that back door a long time ago. All you did was reboot our systems. Monkey Mind Scream!
You're going back to sleep, Mandarin.
One day, you will find out how much more you are. But for now...
You defeated him, Chiro.
We defeated him.
You have a destiny. The time to fulfill it has come.
Evil One, teach me, and I will learn.